Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, Jimbans TV. So guys, for today's video guys, sabihin ko lang sa inyo guys na nakuha ko na din yung aking Maribank card. Okay, dito. Okay, so dito sa bahay, dinideliver siya sa akin. So, naghintay lang din ako guys ng almost 1 week. So, after 1 week, so almost 1 week guys na na-receive ko na yung Maribank card ko. Okay? So ngayon guys, gagawin ko ngayon is ililink ko guys yung Maribank card ko. Okay? So gamit ang aking Maribank app. Okay? So ngayon guys, to is bubuksan ko to and then bigyan ko yung update. So buksan ko lang muna guys. Okay? So guys, ito pala guys yung envelope galing kay Maribank. Okay, so ito ngayon guys yung aking sobre ng Maribank. So laman nito guys yung aking Maribank card. Okay, ngayon guys is bubuksan ko na ito. Okay, so keep on watching guys. So ngayon guys, nabuksan ko na yung sobre na galing kay Maribank. Okay, so ngayon guys, ito yung laman ng sobre na yon. So makikita nyo guys dito yung mag-activate na ng card ngayon. Okay, so dito guys, makikita natin yung maraming benefits ng ang nag-aabang okay sa Maribank card. Okay, dito meron din tayong card fee rebate. Okay, meron din kumita ng 1% cashback. 0 foreign transaction fees. Okay, may libre daw na ATM withdrawals pag nag-withdraw ka ng pera sa mga ATM at sa ibang bansa. Okay, so dito pala guys ay may tayo na activate your card. May card fee rebate daw na pag ginamit mo daw guys ng 5 times yung sa loob ng 30 days. Okay, so from the card activation, so babalik guys yung binayad natin, binayad kong 49 pesos. Okay, sa Maribank app. Okay? Meron din daw na earn up at 1,000% cashback. So may enjoy 0% transaction fees. Okay? So free to guys sa free ATM withdrawals abroad. Okay, so marami palang magandang benefits talaga ang Maribank. Okay? Card. Okay? So ito pala guys yung laman nun. Papakita guys ito yung Maribank. Okay? Card ko. Ito yung laman nun. Okay? Yan. So, ito ngayon guys is plano ko i-try kong i-link. Okay, and then activate dun sa aking Maribank app. Okay? So, try ko na buksan. Try ko na to. Okay? Hello guys. So, ngayon guys, nandito ako ngayon sa aking Maribank app. Okay, so dito guys is try kong i-link and i-activate yung aking Maribank card. Okay, so ngayon titik ko muna dito guys yung notification. Okay, so dito guys makikita natin yung expected delivery date. Okay, so nakita mo dito guys is August 24. Okay, so ngayon guys is August 22. So almost 1 week ko din na-receive yung Maribank card. Okay, so makikita natin dito guys yung shipping process. Okay. So in order na-process yung card August 10, nag-transport siya ng August 13 at na-deliver siya guys ng August 16. Okay, so ngayon guys is try kong i-activate yung card. Okay, ang first step lang na talaga natin guys dito is log into your Maribank app. Okay, and then pwede nyo rin guys na tap MariCard on homepage and tap the activate button and scan the QR code or manually enter the activation code. Okay, so ngayon guys is try kong i-activate ang card. Okay, so back lang tayo dito guys. So dito kita natin yung card. Okay, click lang natin tong cards. And sa cards, makikita natin dito guys yung activate. Okay? So, click lang natin guys itong activate. Okay? Kasi napansin nyo is physical card delivered na. Okay? So, click lang natin guys to activate. So, dito makita natin yung activate physical card. So, sabi dito is once you receive your physical card, follow the steps on the mailer to activate the scanning QR code. Okay? So, dito guys, makita natin meron tayo dito na okay, sa instruction. Okay? Makikita natin dito yung sa pag ma-receive nyo yung Maribank na sobre, pag binuksan nyo yun, makikita nyo yung Maricard. Okay? So, meron dun talaga guys na instruction kung paano natin i-activate. Doon makikita natin guys yung QR code. Okay? Dun sa loob ng sobre, yung instruction. Kasama na dun yung card. Okay? So, dito, may dalawang option. Pwedeng siyang i-scan QR code and enter nyo yung code manually. Okay, sa akin guys, since nakita ko naman na yung aking code, activation code, i-enter ko na lang guys yung code ko. Okay? Okay, so click ko lang guys to. Okay, yung enter code manually. Okay, so dito guys yung activation code. So sabi ko kanina guys, nandoon yun sa loob ng sobre kasama ng Maribank card. Okay, so makikita nyo dun yung instruction nung kung paano siya i-activate. At makikita nyo na rin din guys yung activation code. Okay, so i-enter ko lang guys yung activation code na 11 digit. Okay. Okay, so guys, nakita nyo guys, card activation successful. Okay. So, click nyo lang guys tong done. Okay. Click nyo lang guys tong done. So, congratulations, your physical card is now ready to use. Click done. Your physical card has been activated. Okay. So, your physical card was activated. Okay. So, it's now ready for use. Shop in store and earn cashback each purchase. If unauthorized or need assistance, please call customer service. Okay. Ako lang to. So, activated na yung Maricard ko. Okay. So, yun lang guys kung paano tayo activate ng Maricard. Okay, gamit ang Maricard app. So guys, so if you have a questions guys, please let me know. And then sasagutin ako kagad guys sa mga questions nyo. Okay? So kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ito, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click all notification bell button para updated kayo guys sa mga vlogs ko. Thank you guys and God bless. Stay safe. Bye bye.